Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy. Today I am back again with a new video. So as you know, the entry slips has been out now and you would have most probably got your date, which date you are going to get your passing certificate. So this video is going to be very much about that, and I'll be sharing you what all things are going to happen there, what is the whole procedure, as well as what are the documents required which you need to take and go for your collection of your passing certificate. Some questions were there which I would like to answer and clear in this video. So let's get started with the video. Let's see what documents and how is the whole process going to be. So सबसे पहले the address of the NBMS office is in description box. You can get it there. Second, all the documents which you have to take should be in the original form. Each and every document, no Xerox copy is going to be allowed, and no documents are going to be checked on phone. So whatever documents are there, you have to take all the documents in your original form. Now I'll come to next question, that what are the documents required. All the documents which are required, I'll be saying you on the way of explaining what where it is going to get checked, and a list will be given in the description box, so you can go and you can check it there. Now what is going to happen, सबसे पहले तो जो भी टाइम स्लॉट तुम्हें मिला है, वट एवर टाइम स्लॉट यू हैव बिन गिवन, यू हैव टू गो ऑन दैट टाइम स्लॉट. अगर लाइक माई टाइम slot was 12:30, so 12:30 your process is going to start. You're not going to enter at 12:30. They will make you enter before 12:30, 12 or 12:10, around that you're going to enter. So तुम्हें जो ऑफिस है वहाँ पे हाफ एन आवर to 1 hour के बीच में you have to reach there. Don't reach much before also, like 2 hours, 3 hours before reaching, no point is there, because there is no place to sit outside the office. So see according to that. I think so half an hour and 45 minutes is enough. Before that you can reach there. उसके बाद आते हैं, like last year till entry slip was there in which you have to fill your passport, that date and everything. This year that thing is not, so that's a relief that you don't need to fill and everything about that. Apart from that, now what is going to happen, let's see. Your time slot came, you will go to the entrance, they're going to make you enter. Phone is going to be switched off. They'll say you to switch off the phone. Phone is not allowed. Either phone लेके मत जाना, अगर लेके गए हो तो phone will be switched off. अंदर जाके they are going to check your temperature and everything, sanitize, सब कुछ होगा. There they will give you a feedback form which you have to fill and you have to give it at last. Some random questions will be there. How were the people sitting there with you? How was the environment? Was the it was comfortable, it was friendly, and these things you have to yes and no. You have to just tick the box and you have to submit the form. Now next, when you'll enter the tent, like तुम्हें जो form मिला होगा, in that you have been given a station A, station B, C, E जितने तक है. So which station you're having, you have to go and sit in front of that station. Abhi when your number is gonna come, you have to go to the first station. What is gonna happen there? There they won't check your documents. वहाँ पे basically तुम्हारी biometrics होगी, photo click होगी, thumbprint, and your Aadhaar will be checked, and they're going to check your passport. Means randomly they're just going to check your passport. They're not going to verify the stamps and anything. They won't ask your admit card or score card. Very rarely they will ask, but they won't ask any documents there. Only Aadhaar they'll ask, and your passport and your biometrics will be there. वहाँ पे वो basic normal से सवाल पूछते हैं. सेंटर कहाँ पे था, हाउ डिड यू गिव योर एग्जाम, हाउ वेयर डिड यू प्रिपेयर, व्हेन डिड यू वेंट टू डू योर MBBS. सो दिस काइंड्स ऑफ बेसिक क्वेश्चंस. हाँ, रूमर्स आते हैं दैट दे आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस, मैनेजमेंट ऑफ हाइपरटेंशन, डायबिटीज. तो ये सारी बेसिक क्वेश्चंस है. अगर आते हैं तो गुड, आंसर देम. अगर नहीं आते तो जस्ट से सर एंड मैम आई डोंट रिमेंबर. सो इट्स फाइन, एंड दे विल बी क्रैकिंग जोक्स विथ यू, दे विल बी फ्रेंडली विथ यू. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा दैट दे आर गोइंग टू मेक यू they are going to make you nervous or they're going to knowingly ask questions to you. So ऐसा basically नहीं होता है. अभी उसके बाद when this is done, तुम्हारी बायोमेट्रिक्स एंड सारी कुछ हो गई है. उसके बाद you have to go to the next काउंटर. वहाँ पहले तो बैठना है. when your number is going to come, same, अगर तुम्हारा स्टेशन C है या वट एवर बी दी स्टेशन, तुम्हें सेम अगेन सेम स्टेशन के पास जाके बैठना है. there you will be the part where your documents will be checked. now what are the documents they are going to check? every documents which you are having, सेफ साइड, अगर जितने डॉक्यूमेंट्स है तुम्हारे पास सब लेके जाना, because you never know, they can ask you randomly anything. If you don't have, if that documents are not important and still you don't have that, it's okay, they will not mind. But अगर वो है लिस्ट में and then you have forget it, so then obviously that is going to be a problem. So उससे बेटर है सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लेके जाना. बेसिकली वहाँ पे वो तुम्हारी 12th चेक करेंगे. 10th and 11th they won't ask. अगर है तो रख लेना, or else they won't ask. Take your 12th certificate. जितनी कॉलेज की सर्टिफिकेट्स मिली है, डिग्री या पोस्टाइल, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वॉट एवर मार्कशीट वगैरह, अदर एनी काइंड ऑफ documents, certificates which we have got from our college country. So keep that all documents with you. Admit card will be checked there. Score card will be checked there. Passport. E-visas है तो रख लेना. They won't ask your e-visas. They will just normally check the passport. They are not going to verify the stamps there. They'll just check the visas. अगर e-visa है रख लेना. Apart from that, your NEET result or eligibility certificate, जो भी whatever also is valid for you. So you have to keep that. So this is, I think, the 5 to 6 documents which they are going to ask there. There are also randomly some basic questions they'll ask. Normal questions. What is your future plan? Where are you planning to do internship? And these kinds of questions. After verifying all these documents, they are going to make you sign in a box. You have to write there, I have received my passing certificate. So this is all. So basically, what are the documents required? 12th certificate, your degree certificate, whatever degree certificate, college certificate you have got, just keep everything with you. Admit card, score card, then eligibility and NEET certificate. So this is all. Yeah, I think so. This is all. अगर कुछ छूट गया होगा तो I'll be adding in the description box. तो एक बार just go and check it. I think so. I said everything. अभी आता है admit card. You have to take the original which you used on exam day, या तुम print out निकलवा सकते हो. अगर तुम्हारे पास exam day वाला use किया हुआ admit card है on which verified stamp is there, so take that and go. If you don't have that, then take out a new print and take it out and take and go. So no, that is not a big deal that wahi leke jana hai, and if you don't have, so no need to panic. So it's fine. If you're having that, just take it and go. Apart from that, rest all the documents should be original. 10th 12th 11th जो भी है सारे originals लेके जाना. अगर नहीं है तो अपने school से, college से you can arrange it, you can get it there. कलर्ड प्रिंट, ब्लैक एंड वाइट प्रिंट, इट डजेंट मैटर मच बिकॉज जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स ओरिजिनल है वो तो कलर्ड ही होगी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नीट रिजल्ट और मे बी समथिंग इट इज, तो जस्ट योर दैट मार्क्स एंड एवरीथिंग शुड बी विजिबल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नथिंग. नीट रिजल्ट के लिए दे विल आस्क योर कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट और नॉट. I don't have exact idea about it because I was NEET qualified, but they didn't ask me caste certificate. I was having, but they didn't ask me caste certificate. So अगर है तुम्हारे पास तो रख लो, but I don't think they're gonna ask caste certificate there because basically it's not needed there. They have to be giving you your passing certificate, not your provisional or anything related to marks basis. So वो तो सबको मिलना है, it's common for everyone. So I don't think so they're gonna ask you passing certificate there. So sorry, I don't think they're gonna ask you your caste certificate there. So this is all, and uske baad when this all process is done, you're gonna go to the next chair and you're gonna sit there. Your name will be called. There you have to go and you have to sign on your passing certificate. You have to submit that feedback form, and then you have to sign again. Basically, on one paper will be there, list of students, and then you can go. So this is what is gonna happen inside the tent, and this is all the process. So अगर ऐसा है कि वो questions पूछ रहे हैं, तुमने answer नहीं किया or whatever be the reason, once you enter the tent, if you're having all the documents with you, so you are going to take the passing certificate and come out of the tent. Be sure about that. Go inside. Be relaxed, no need to panic yourself. It is a very smooth process. All the people sitting there are really friendly. They'll be totally trying to keep you comfortable in any way possible. They'll be cracking jokes. They'll be very comfortable with you. They're really nice. I mean, I didn't felt that way, that it was very much nervous process or anything. All of them were really good. So that is all, and just return with a big smile. You have earned your passing certificate. I mean, it's a very big thing for us, obviously. The FMG students, we all know the value of that passing certificate. That certificate is what we studied this much and everything for. So that is all, and after that, you can apply for the provisional certificates in your respective states. How also it is online, offline, whatever be the mode. So you can go and you can apply to that. So this was all, and rest whatever, if anything is left, I'll be putting in the description box. Till then, enjoy the process. I think so on 26th Feb from the dates are starting of collecting passing certificate. If you by default miss your date, you are not able to go. They will give you a date after finishing all the given dates. Then you are going to get your number of again collecting the passing certificate. So plan your travel accordingly. Delhi की traffic को देखते हुए travel plan करना. See according to your time. Don't be late. बेटर थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाना, बट डोंट बी सो मच अर्ली ऑल्सो बिकॉज बैठने की जगह नहीं है. एंड दैट इज ऑल, एंड आई विल बी सीइंग यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन एंजॉय द प्रोसेस एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.